Students, in this video, you will learn about line-to-line fault on power system. So, this figure shows the line-to-line fault in a power system on phase B and C through a fault impedance ZF. The fault is happened between phase B and C through a fault impedance. So, you can observe in this figure fault impedance ZF and fault is happened between B and C. Okay. So, according to this fault, so we can write terminal conditions. So, the terminal conditions IA is equal to 0 since A phase is open circuited, the current will not flow in A phase, and IB plus IC is equal to 0. IC you can write minus IB, IC is equal to minus IB, and VB is equal to VC plus IB into ZF, VC plus IB into ZF, right. So, using these terminal conditions, we will write the symmetrical component relations. The first one, IA naught is equal to, so we know in terms of phase currents 1 by 3 into IA plus IB plus IC. So, here IB is equal to minus IC or IC is equal to minus IB. So, this will be equal to 0. See here, according to the terminal conditions, IA is equal to 0, IA value is equal to 0 and IC is equal to minus IB. So, if you substitute, you will get 0, IA naught 0 sequence current will be equal to 0 in this. And next one, IA1 is equal to 1 by 3 into IA plus A into IB plus A square into IC. So, substituting 1 by 3 into A minus A square into IB, and IA2 is equal to 1 by 3 into IA plus A square IB plus A into IC. So, this will be equal to 1 by 3 into A square minus A into IB. So, these are the symmetrical component currents, right, and IA is equal to, IA naught is equal to 0. Okay. So, if you can also write IA1 is equal to minus IA2. So, these component relations, so we are getting from the terminal conditions. Terminal conditions are we will get from the fault. So, here in this diagram, A phase is open, that is what IA we can write it as a 0, and B and C are short circuited through a ZF. So, IB plus IC is equal to 0. Okay. So, VB, so voltage across B phase, VB is equal to VC plus IB into ZF. Okay. According to these terminal conditions, we will find out the symmetrical component relations, and we will find out the voltage symmetrical components VA1, VA2 and VA0. So, VA0 always this will be equal to 0. So, IA0 is equal to 0, right. So, that is what 0 sequence voltage will be equal to 0, right. So, VA1 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus A into VB plus A square into VC, and VA2 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus A square VB plus A into VC. So, VA1 minus VA2 is equal to IA1 into ZF, right, IA1 into ZF. So, VA1 is equal to VA2 plus IA1 into ZF, right? Okay. So, this is these equations are belongs to the voltage sequence components, positive, negative, zero sequence components VA1, VA2 and Va0. So here we have series impedance ZF as shown in the previous figure, and Ia0 equal to Va0 equal to 0. So 0 sequence voltage and 0 sequence currents are equal to 0. That's what in sequence network diagram, 0 sequence we have to show separately. So we will see the sequence network diagram. So in this diagram, if we observe, 0 sequence diagram is separated. Positive and negative sequences are connected in series with fault impedance. Here Z1 is 0 sequence impedance and ZF is fault through the fault impedance ZF, and Z2 is negative sequence impedance. So these all will be in series. So here we can see the 0 sequence components, since Ia0 is equal to 0 and Va0 is equal to 0. So that's what this 0 sequence impedance should be separated. Now fault current If is equal to Ib, Ia0 plus A square into Ia1 plus A into Ia2. So here minus j into root 3 Ia1, minus j into root 3 into Ia1. So Ia1 you can calculate by using this first figure. So Ia1 plus you can substitute V Thevenin by Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF. That is the current flowing in this figure. So that is circulating current. So here, so this is the current is belongs to Ia1. So here the fault current is equal to root 3 into V Thevenin by summation of Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF. So Z1 plus Z2 plus ZF is the impedance, total impedance of the circuit. Okay, right. So in next video we will see about double line to ground fault on power system. Thank you everyone.